making some candy, but it's chocolate dirt and some gummies bugs, and it's just gummies. It's just like gummy worms. Like, let's do it now. First, I'm going to open the box. Here's the package. Jell-O pudding. And then this is like the dirt. And then here's the gummy worms. Here's the little gummies. You see that? First, we're going to do the chocolate pudding. Next, we're going to substitute it with almond milk. Looks like chocolate milk. Now I'm going to whisk everything together. Pretty. Ew, ew, ew. I will eat some. It's good to eat. You can eat it. You can eat it. Next, we're going to like put all this stuff in and do blah 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 blah. And do it. First, we get the pudding and then slash it in. Next, we get the cookie crumbs in the dirt. This is dirt. It's cookie crumbs. Next, I get the bugs. I'm going to put all the bugs. Look at that. And that's so cool that we're making it. I'm eating it. It's time to eat. It's time to eat. Don't record it right now. No more. Thanks for watching.